Are you getting the cannot download photo or unable to download error when downloading photos from iCloud on your iPhone? This can happen due to network issues, iCloud settings, or low storage. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue on your iPhone. So let's start. Solution 1, check your Wi-Fi connection. Open any browser and go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is slow, try turning on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve the connection. Solution 3, sign out and back into iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, scroll down and select Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in. Solution 3, update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, just download and install it. Solution 4, enable Wi-Fi and mobile data for background app refresh. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 5, reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then, enter your passcode and tap on Reset Network Settings again. After that, the issue should be fixed. So guys, that's how you deal with the cannot download photo or unable to download errors on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.